Now, this tool will help you generate videos in minutes just from the text. और वो कैसे होगा? Let's see that. Done. Now, what was the thing that we used over here? That we want to develop a promotional poster for eco-friendly water bottle brand, right? I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. Simply, I'll just paste eco-friendly water bottle brand and I'll click on create. So the AI is going to craft the entire, script, the entire storyboard. If you will see, I can select the aspect ratio कि मुझे YouTube के aspect ratio में चाहिए, WhatsApp या Instagram के aspect ratio में चाहिए या Facebook के aspect ratio में चाहिए. I can add my brand into it. I can add my logo into it. With get it done from Canva AI. Once I do that, I can just click on generate video. And जैसे ही मैं generate video पे click करूँगा, this is a kind of a video that it generates because it takes some time to generate the video. That's why I'm showing you a pre-generated video for you to understand in a better manner. Just look at this video. So are you able to see the captions which are given above the videos? Even, you do not need professional tools like After Effects or like, CapCut or Adobe Premiere, जहाँ पे आप caption insert कर सकते टेप में. AI has done that for you with just a single prompt. And this video is generated by just giving a single prompt that I want to produce. I want to give an eco-friendly water bottle. And all the music that you see, the music at the background, the videos which are coming at the background, this is all generated by AI. So see, this is how easy it is. Now, some people were saying about the watermark. Once you download this, the watermark gets removed.